everyone, welcome back. For today's mani, we're going to be using dip powders from Bling Galleria. The first color here, it's called Blue Hawaiian, and this is a very pretty blue. You can see here, it's almost like a neon blue, and then it has a really pretty shimmer to it, and that shimmer is really pretty. You'll see that here in action in just a few moments. And then we're going to use Boss Lady, which is a solid color, and it's more of like a neon magenta, and it's really pretty, and there is no shimmer to it. It's the perfect neon magenta color. And then we're going to play with these really fun leopard spots, and I'm so excited. Here's some of those spots on a swatch stick, and then here are all three colors that we're going to be using today. Well, two colors, and then those really fun leopard spots. And then we're going to be using these stiletto nails, and we're going to be using dip liquid for this mani. Now you will notice that I already had that thumb dipped. I got a phone call in between the mani, and it shut off my camera, and I did not realize that until I was dusting off the thumbnail. So the thumbnail and the pinky, we are just going to be dipping into that beautiful neon magenta Boss Lady, and check out all that pigment. It is so pretty, and these powders are super pigmented, and that's pretty common trend with all of Bling Galleria's dips. They're very pigmented. And I did use these leopard prints before in a previous mani. I will link those in the cards as well at the end of the video if you are wanting to see more of those beautiful leopard spots in action. Now these colors here are so pretty together, but Bling Galleria has tons of beautiful vibrant neon colors. I will pop a picture in right here so you can see them. The colors are amazing, and they are perfect for the upcoming spring and summer season. You cannot go wrong with how pigmented and vibrant these colors are. And if blue and purple aren't your cup of tea, you could totally do any colors for this mani that you want to do, especially when it comes to like the tie-dye ombre that we're going to be doing here in just a moment. This mani would look good with so many different color combinations. I really want to do it again with like oranges and yellow. I think that would be so pretty, or even like hot pink and green. There are so many different varieties that you can do with this mani with these leopard prints. I just think it's so fun, and it turned out really well. And you could see that the Bling Galleria logo has the leopard prints in the logo as well, and on the jars. So the leopard prints are just a fun little touch, and I really like that she does offer that, because it's just something different that you really don't see everywhere. So right now I'm just going in, and I'm kind of doing like an ombre, tapping it just like I would if I was doing an ombre, but I'm just putting the powders really anywhere I want. There's no really rhyme or reason, and that is what I'm gonna do basically for the whole ombre tie-dye look that I'm going for. And it doesn't have to be perfect, because you're gonna go into it, if you have more blue or more of that magenta after you brush off in places, you're gonna go ahead again and do it with another layer, so then you can really focus on if you wanted to add more of a certain color. All right, so enough chit chat. Let's dive into this mani process, and then I will pop back in at the end.
but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night. Without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer. Yeah, I just need you to. I just need you to. Stay a bit longer. I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while. A simple question. Can I get closer? Just for motivation.
All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun and vibrant, and I'm totally loving the leopard spots. They're just so fun, and the tie-dye ombre really turned out really cool, and I really like how it looks. I definitely want to try this again with some other colors, so I will go ahead and link everything that we used for today's mani in the description box below. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in tomorrow's upload.